the biggest advantages of having Italian ice in your store is the ability to serve a gelati. Gelati is a combination of soft serve and Italian ice, and you could use your homemade Italian ice with your soft serve machine to serve it. So we're going to take a thin layer of custard, fill our cup with Italian ice, and then we're going to add just a small layer of custard to the top. And then we have a layered gelati. Gelati is an extremely profitable product because you're basically just supplementing the ice for the custard or the custard for the ice, in which you'd normally charge a price point of $250 to $350 for, and you're adding that price to $375 to $475. So you're getting more dollars for less product, which is more profit for you.